Is there anybody going to listen to my story? All about the girl who came to stay. She's the kind of girl who wants so much it makes you sorry. Still you don't regret a single day. Oh girl, when I think of all the time I try so hard to leave her, she will come to me and start to cry. And she promises the yes to me and I believe her. After all this time I don't know why. Oh girl, she's the kind of girl who put you down and make you feel a fool. When you say she's looking good, she's anxious if it's understood. She's cool, 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 girl. When she was young.